the economy once investors are assured that the government is serious in combating graft and corruption. Second, the fact that public officers are responsible will not only trust, but also set a high standard of governance and ethics in public service. Please use the mic. If you don't apply a materiality standard, would this not open the public officials to harassment or baseless complaints, which could also have a negative effect on governance?
Thank you for your question, Your Honor. The impeachment process to mitigate those kinds of harm. The impeachment process both houses of the parliament will have to initiate the complaint, and the Senate will require a two-thirds vote for the public officers to face those charges, if any proceed. But there is also set clarity or measure that has a positive impact on citizens' economy. According to NBC Chair Ramon Valerio, the impeachment process is clear